Yo, what's good everybody? It's Crown, and in this video I'll be showing y'all how to make textured Afrobeat sample by turning this into this. First, I started with a soft piano from Labs with these effects, a wow control, a reverb, and a parametric EQ on all these settings you see on the screen. And it ended up sounding like this. Second was a one shot I reversed after using these effects. A Lojay 3 and a parametric EQ, and it sounded like this. Then we moved to the third sound from Zenology on a car hue preset. And for this sound I used Portal, parametric EQ, another EQ, reverb, and another EQ. And it ended up like this. The fourth sound is still the third sound from Zenology, which I cut out the tail of the delay and reversed it and sounded like this. Then the fifth sound is the guitar from Ample Guitar Semi Hollow on a default preset. And after adding effects on the guitar, and there was a whistle sound from Flex, which is the whistle, and after adding a reverb, it sounded like this. And for the vocals, it's just me singing, and after some effects, I increased the stretch time and consolidated it. The effects on the vocals are Fruity EQ, Flangers, Parametric EQ again, Little Altar Boy, Tremulator, Vintage, Valhalla, Verb, and lastly another EQ. And for the bass, I used a retro bass from Omnisphere, and also for the log drum, it's a preset I made on Fruity DX10. This is the bass. And this is the log drum. And everything came out pretty good, so that's all that happened on this track. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. My Instagram is on the screen, please give me a follow. Also, my latest loop samples will be in the description. You can download it and read the terms of use. If you also need the vocal sample presets I used in this video, you can send me a DM for it. Peace. See you on the flip side. So what's up guys, if you want to collab, just hit me up on IG. Let's get things done. Let's lock in. Alright.